Hi, my name's Anthony Walker, and someone asked me to do Speechless. It's a request. I'm not in super vocal, but I'm going to give it a try for you, okay? Your love is magical, that's how I feel. But I have not the words here to explain. And gone are the graces for expressions of passion. But there are worlds and worlds and ways to explain, to tell you how I feel. But I am speechless, speechless. That's how you make me feel. Though I'm with you, I am far away, and nothing is for real. When I'm with you, I'm lost for words. I don't know what to say. My head's spinning like a carousel. So silently I pray, helpless and hopeless. That's how I feel inside. Nothing's real, but all is possible if God is on my side. When I'm with you, I'm lost for words.